I'm Chief Jim Gilbert with the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. St. Patrick's Day is a time of celebration, but one bad decision can turn that fun into tragedy. Last year in Franklin County, we had 9 alcohol-related crashes over St. Patrick's Day weekend. That's 9 too many. This year, the Franklin County DUI Task Force will be out in full force this holiday weekend, looking for impaired drivers and keeping our roadways safe. St. Patrick's Day enforcement runs from 6 p.m. on March 14th through 6 a.m. on March 17th. If you're drinking, don't test your luck. Plan ahead. Designate a sober driver before the party starts. Use a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft. Call a friend or take public transportation. Just don't get behind the wheel. Drinking and driving is 100% preventable. No pot of gold is worth the cost of a DUI, an accident, or a life lost. Remember, friends don't let friends drink and drive.